Question: find the sum sigma n is equals to 2 to infinity n plus 1 over n factorial. Solution: so to find the sum, we have e power x is equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial, etc. Now multiply throughout this expansion with x, then x e power x is equals to x plus x square plus x cube by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 3 factorial plus etc. Now differentiate it with respect to x. If we differentiate with respect to x, then x into differentiation of e power x is e power x plus e power x into differentiation of x is 1 is equals to differentiation of x 1 plus differentiation of x square 2x differentiation of x cube 3x square over 2 factorial plus 4x cube over 3 factorial plus etc. Now in this expansion, put x equal to 1. So with this substitution, you will get here 1 into e power 1 plus e power 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2 factorial plus 4 by 3 factorial plus etc. So this is equals to 2e is equal to 3 plus, so this 3 by 2 factorial plus 4 by 3 factorial plus 5 by 4 factorial etc. is in compact form. If you write, that is nothing but n is equals to 2 to infinity n plus 1 over n factorial. So n plus 1 by n factorial is the general term of this series. That's why n vary from 2 to infinity. Therefore general term is n plus 1 by n factorial. So our required thing is what? Is n is equals to 2 to infinity n plus 1 by n factorial. Therefore this implies sigma n is equals to 2 to infinity n plus 1 by n factorial is equal to 2e minus 3. So this is our required answer.